This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Sideloadly and run it as administrator so signing works correctly. Make sure you have your Apple ID signed in and the device you did copied. Connect the unlocked device and tap Trust when prompted. Once done, disable any VPN and close iTunes to avoid port conflicts. Now drag one IPA into Sideloadly and choose your Apple ID. This begins the signing setup, so you can address the 3-app limit. You continue by configuring signing and slot management to bypass the 3-app limit. First, add an alternate Apple ID in Sideloadly and create separate signing slots so apps don't share the same provisioning space. Then change each app's bundle ID slightly to avoid collisions. This step alone prevents overriding. If you have access to a developer or enterprise certificate, use it for longer-lived installations. Make sure to enable the reinstall toggle where appropriate. This helps when apps need fresh signing between sessions. Finish by installing apps methodically and validating success. Install IPAs one at a time and watch the Sideloadly log for errors. If an install fails, reboot the device and retry. When you hit a certificate revocation, switch to the alternate Apple ID or re-sign the app with a new bundle ID immediately. If Sideloadly can't communicate, clear paired devices in the app or reinstall USB drivers on your PC. If problems persist, rerun the signing steps and verify UDID and trust settings once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.